Okay.
I'm a fucking scoop on those fucking.
I'm doing a video. James, put your hands down. Put your hands down.
Don't come.
James, put your damn hands down.
Wait. No! Oh, dude, wait.
Is he really gonna try to catch one?
Wait.
No, you're gonna hurt one.
Get ready. No! Oh! Oh my God! Oh, that was sick!
James!
Oh, man! He had that shit!
Oh my God, that's so funny! How did you do that?
Yeah, I did. James, I can't believe it!
Cut the seagull.